Mr. Clown, where are you? Did you see my Mr. Clown? Did you? Where is Mr. Clown? Whenever I need this man, he is not here with me always. What I will do with this man? Mr. Clown, where are you? Yes, boss, what happened? Mr. Clown, where were you? I was at the barber shop. Really? Yes, boss. I got a new haircut. At this time? Yes, boss. Seriously? Tell the truth. Boss, promise you one thing that you will not beat me. Okay, I will not beat you first for stand up. I fell down and something happened to me. What? Where you fell down? Are you okay? Yes, boss, I am absolutely fine. Then I fell down on the bed and I slept. Mr. Clown! Wake up, Mr. Clown, wake up! You are still sleeping. See, so many people are here to watch a play. People? Play? Why do you all are gathered here? To watch a play. Play? Which one? Oh, that one. एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म कहानी. Mr. Clown, think something new. Think, 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 think. Yeah! Yes! No. Boss, I'm not getting any idea. Please help me. Okay, Mr. Clown, do you know when our India got independence? Yes, boss. Everybody knows in 1947. Yes. Mr. Clown, do you know we are celebrating 75th year of independence this year? Really, boss? 75th? Yes. Our India is a unique land of vibrant colors. It's also incredible because of its beautiful mountains, lakes, forests, seas, oceans, deserts, etc. Many foreigners each year visit India to see the beauty of the country. That is its rich historical temples, its traditions, its heritage, its language, etc. This is our India, the incredible India.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो है वतन
more, boss. Okay, Mr. Clown, do you know anything about our freedom fighters? Freedom fighters? Who were they? Freedom fighters who fought for us, like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru. See? Wherever our lives go, but we should not give India that post-Mahabharat free country where there is poverty, where there is hunger, where there is epidemic, where wars rule. We want to give that country where there are waves of excitement, where there is beauty, where there is a kingdom of brotherhood. Our revolution is not a bloodshed. We have created it like a petals of flowers. Our revolution will come, but it is a different matter that we will not be able to see it with our living eyes. This is what we have chose. This is our decision. If this decision of ours gives a new path to the coming India, so we will achieve this. We have sacrificed today only to make tomorrow better. Keep it safe. Inqilab! 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 Boss, just sacrifice their lives for a bright future? Yes, they sacrificed their lives for us, for our freedom. Mr. Clown, you must know about the pandemic, that virus which impacted the whole world badly, which was COVID-19. The virus spread rapidly into the whole world. See? Remember the time when whole world was battling with the pandemic COVID-19 in such an emergency at that crucial time. Our country, India, not only handled itself but also supported other countries. India provided vaccines to other countries also. This is our country, which is always ready to help other countries. Yes, that pandemic time was very crucial for all of us. Our country, India, is a country of different cultures, different castes. This is the country where people of different religions live happily. This is the specialty of our country where we all enjoy the cricket matches of Team India together. See?
Six of them from Carlos Brathwaite. Oh, that's another six. That is huge. Carlos Brathwaite. Back-to-back sixes and hands will be clasped in New Zealand.
Even though we belong to different religions, different castes, but we enjoy the cricket matches of Team India together. We laugh, we cheers together. Yes, that's great, boss. This shows unity and diversity. Yes, this is the unity and diversity. If we talk about the achievements of our country, India, the whole night will pass. The present Prime Minister of UK, Mr. Rishi Sunak, is an Indian. The CEO of Google, Mr. Sundar Rajan Pichai, is also an Indian. The Mars Orbiter mission now it comes to the strongest link of our country. That is our army, our soldiers who protect us. Only because of them we all can sleep peacefully. The tormenting heat of the borders and the freezing cold of Siachen never ever affect the morale of our Indian soldiers. Somebody please help me! My child has fallen into the borewell. Please help me! Look, a child has fallen into the borewell and nobody is able to take him out. What will happen next? Now who will save this child? Some terrorists attacked this famous hotel and so many people are present inside. Now what will happen next? Who will save them? Will they all be able to come out alive?
भारत विविधता में एकता का प्रतिनिधित्व करता है। हमारा देश संस्कृतियों, क्षेत्रों, परंपराओं, भोजन में विविधता, भाषाओं आदि का मिश्रण है। हमारे भारत के लोग प्रकृति में इतने विनम्र, समझने और मदद करने वाले हैं। हमें अपनी सांस्कृतिक विशिष्टता पर गर्व है। हमें भारत के निवासी होने पर गर्व है। ये हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम इसकी अनूठी विशेषता को बनाए रखें। तभी तो बनेगा अतुल्य भारत।